ready to turn those Notcoins you've been tapping into real crypto. Alright, first things first, make sure you're inside the Notcoin Bot on Telegram. You should see your mining balance and the main menu. Now look for the wallet button or a button that says connect wallet. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on updates, but that's what we're aiming for. Go ahead and tap it. You'll now see a list of compatible crypto wallets. Tonkeeper and Maiden Wallet are popular choices as Notcoin runs on the Ton blockchain. If you already have one of these wallets, select it. If not, you'll need to create one. The bot will usually guide you through the wallet creation process, but always download wallets from official sources to avoid scams. If you selected an existing wallet, your chosen wallet app will open and ask for permission to connect to the Notcoin Bot. This is standard procedure. Carefully review the permissions requested, making sure you're comfortable with them. Once you grant permission, you should be redirected back to the Notcoin Bot, and you'll see a confirmation message that your wallet is successfully connected. Your wallet address will likely be displayed. Congratulations! You've successfully linked your Notcoin to a wallet. This opens the door to potential future conversions, trading, and participation in the Notcoin ecosystem. Remember to always keep your wallet's private keys or seed phrase safe and never share them with anyone.